I think from a Tangata Tiriti leader point of view, you've just got to really trust and lean in to the whole process. And it is a relationship, and the key is the partnership that you form. What's really important is Rihi and I modelling like a really functional treaty co-leadership working model has made particularly some of our non-Māori researchers who are perhaps more nervous but keen, made them feel a bit safer and made them see what can be achieved, that it's not that it has positive benefits for them, I guess, as opposed to being a threat.
It is ideal for us, especially when we're dealing with the state, to have a demonstrable level of operational partnership, because often, one of the things that I've heard often is, oh yes, I hold the treaty, it's in my mind all the time, which is like, well, that's good, but what do you do with it? And that's the part about relating and working with Ruth in particular, to be able to kind of have these open and frank discussions around what does that look like for us?